6th calls for both temperatures and precipitation to be above normal. Normal highs for the period are around 45 degrees, and normal lows by around 30. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 0.65 and 0.70 inches. At 11 a.m. at Indianapolis, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 42 degrees, with dew point 17, and the relative humidity 36%. The wind was west at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The barometric pressure was 29.84 inches and rising. Around central Indiana, it was sunny, with a temperature of 40 at Anderson, 41 at Muncie, and 47 at Shelbyville. Elsewhere across Indiana, it was sunny, with a temperature of 38 at Lafayette, 42 at Terre Haute, and 46 at Bloomington. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 38 at Fort Wayne, and 50 at Evansville. At South Bend, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 29. Just outside Indiana, at Champaign, it was sunny, with a temperature of 38. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 45 at Dayton, 46 at St. Louis, 49 at Cincinnati, and 54 at Louisville. At Chicago, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 27. Once again, at Indianapolis, it was 42 degrees with mostly sunny skies. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis. And now a look at your forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. Rest of today, mostly sunny, cooler with highs in the upper 40s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusts up to 30 miles an hour this morning. For tonight, partly cloudy through midnight, then showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the upper 30s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Wednesday, a slight chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Much warmer with highs in the mid-60s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. For Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with rain with a slight chance of thunderstorms through midnight, then partly cloudy toward daybreak. Breezy and not as cool with lows in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour through midnight. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday, mostly sunny and windy. Highs in the upper 60s. West winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for the rest of today. Mostly sunny. Cooler with highs in the upper 40s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour this morning. Taking a look at the 4 through 7 day forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. For Thursday night, mostly clear through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Breezy and much colder with lows in the lower 20s. Friday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the upper 30s. For Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow toward daybreak. Cold. Near steady temperature in the lower 30s. Chance of snow 30%. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. For Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain. Lows in the mid-30s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. For Sunday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain through midnight, then a chance of rain toward daybreak. Near steady temperature in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, rain likely. Breezy with highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. The current time is 12:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Tuesday, February 28th through Monday, March 6th calls for